Have you ever used NotebookLM to create PowerPoint presentations? If yes, then you probably know the problem. The slides look good, but they are completely static, and you can't properly edit them later. But what if you could create better PowerPoint presentations, download them, and still edit every single slide? Today, I'm sharing a free tool that does exactly that. It creates professional-looking PowerPoint presentations, better than NotebookLM. And the best part is, you can edit them even after downloading. So, watch the full video, and I'll show you the complete process step by step. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, we will explore why NotebookLM falls short when it comes to creating PowerPoint presentations. As you can see, I have already created a notebook around AI in education, so here it is. I have also created a slide deck, so let me open it up. Here is the slide deck. This is quite a comprehensive and beautifully generated PowerPoint presentation. The slides are very well designed and visually appealing. However, the major issue is that we cannot edit these slides, even after the recent Edit feature was introduced. We are only able to input a prompt to edit a specific part of a particular slide, but we cannot edit the entire presentation all at once, nor can we make free-form changes as per our needs. What makes this even more frustrating is that we cannot edit these slides after downloading the PowerPoint file either. So let me go ahead and download it. Here is the downloaded version of our PowerPoint presentation created by NotebookLM. As you can see, I can move between different slides, but the file does not allow me to edit anything. If I try to select any text, the entire slide gets selected as an image. It can be moved around on the screen, but I cannot edit any specific text, figure, or element within the presentation. So, this is the core drawback of using NotebookLM for PowerPoint presentations. Now, we have explored a new platform that completely overcomes this limitation. Let's visit the official site of this tool. It's Claude. Yes, Claude is a very powerful AI tool. It creates stunning PowerPoint presentations and much more. It offers various models, so you can choose one based on your needs. I will go with Claude Sonnet 4.6. Claude also allows you to upload documents, screenshots, add projects, and much more. While it can be used for writing, learning, code generation, and a wide range of other tasks, today we are specifically interested in generating PowerPoint presentations. So, let me enter my prompt. I have asked Claude to generate 10 slides around the topic, how AI is impacting human decision-making skills. Once you input your prompt, simply hit Enter and it will begin the process. As you can see, it has just started reading the PPTX skill. This means it is going through various sources to collect all the relevant information about our area of interest. You can see it is carrying out a kind of deep research, gathering everything needed to build a comprehensive and informed presentation. Once the process is complete, you will be able to see an AI-generated PowerPoint presentation, which, in my opinion, is significantly better than what NotebookLM produces. And here it is. You can see the presentation is focused on how AI is impacting human decision-making skills. Let me go through each slide. The slides are very well designed, and each one contains all the essential information relevant to our topic. You also have the option to regenerate the presentation, and you can download it as a PPTX file. So, let me go ahead and download it. Here is the full-screen version of our PowerPoint presentation, generated by Claude. It covers how AI is impacting human decision-making skills in great detail. As you can see, each slide is beautifully designed and packed with valuable, well-structured information. Now, here comes the best part. The NotebookLM slides were completely uneditable, even after downloading. However, with the slides created by Claude, once downloaded, you have full editing freedom. As you can see, I can select any text, change the font size, change the font type, add new content, remove specific sections, and much more. I have complete control to customize the presentation exactly as I need. So, this is truly the best AI tool we have explored so far, one that can comfortably replace NotebookLM for presentation creation. But we are not done yet. The most powerful feature is still to come. Let's say I have an academic paper that I would like to convert into a PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, this academic paper is quite comprehensive. If done manually, it would take a considerable amount of time to turn it into a well-structured presentation. However, Claude allows us to do this in just seconds. So, first, let's open the official site. Then, we will upload our academic paper and ask Claude to generate a PowerPoint presentation from it. I have specifically instructed Claude to create dedicated slides for the introduction, literature review, research methodology, findings, discussion, and recommendations, all drawn directly from the uploaded paper. As you can see, it has already kickstarted the process, and it only takes a few seconds. Once the process is complete, you will have a comprehensive, ready-to-use PowerPoint presentation, with all the information extracted directly from the academic paper you provided. And here it is. This powerful presentation is quite thorough, and it covers all the key aspects of the paper we asked it to work with. Let me download it. Here is the downloaded version. As you can see, this presentation is about a review of artificial intelligence in education. It is a review paper covering studies from 2010 to 2020, and it begins with an introduction, research questions, review findings, research dimensions, discussion, future trends, challenges, and recommendations. These are exactly the slides we requested. And the best part, you can edit each and every slide as per your need, which was simply not possible with NotebookLM. So, to summarize, we have found a better AI tool than NotebookLM, and that tool is Claude. With Claude, you can generate completely free PowerPoint presentations, and most importantly, you get fully editable files that you can customize however you like. So, go ahead and try Claude, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more AI-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!